Hi everybody, it's Sherryelle, and tonight we're going to be doing an amazing at-home facial, and I'm going to be introducing a new machine that I did a lot of research on before I purchased, because what I like to do is I like to find amazing machines that you can use at home without paying the thousands of dollars that all the big stars and people with lots of money pay for all these amazing treatments, when you can do them right at home for virtually nothing. So it's an amazing machine. It is a steamer by Secura. It is a hot and cold and also does aromatherapy, which is absolutely fabulous. So if you have problem skin, or you have allergies, or if you have rosacea, acne, any and all of the above, stay tuned, and I'm going to be teaching you some tips and tricks to help you have beautiful skin. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Sherryelle. Yes, we're in my dressing area and we're going to be doing a pre-cleanse. This is something we always do in the beauty profession, because when people are coming in, they're coming in from working all day and having makeup on their face, pollution, dirt, debris. So we want to break up all that on the skin and give ourselves a little bit of a massage, especially after working a hard day. Oh, this is a professional way of doing things at home, and this is Origin's Clean Clean Energy Gentle Cleansing Oil. I love this stuff. The one beautiful thing about this product is that it carries all natural ingredients. There's no perfumes. It's non-comedogenic. It's perfect for people who have acne as well. Guys, let me give you a word to the wise. It takes an oil to break an oil inside of your body and outside of your body. And if you don't know what that means, why don't you study fats and oils and learn about that? Because that's something you're going to have to know about in life one day. So yes, we do a pre-cleanse. It conditions our eyelashes, which, the one side effect of this is that you'll have beautiful long eyelashes. You'll see them grow. That's one of the things everybody tells me with this beautiful stuff, is that their eyelashes are getting longer. Guys, if you don't condition your eyelashes, they're going to break off, just as if you didn't condition your hair. Now guys, at this time is when you kind of want to work on those lymph areas to help break that up, because what you're going to do is you're going to get in the shower and we're going to clean all this off. Ooh, let's rub that lymphatic area. Right there in your lip nodes. Oh yeah, and right here's the pressure points. If you press that, it can hurt, but just work it down, get it ready, get all that debris off, and now it's time to get in the shower. Okay, now that we've taken our shower, now we're going to exfoliate. And you can use a face brush for this from Sally's. It's $1.79. I'm going to be using my Amazon cleansing. I decided to do that one today. It's got a few little pearls in it that kind of nice and exfoliate the skin. I don't really care for the product because it has too much perfume in it, but I'm going to cleanse my skin really good, and I'm going to use my Ultrasonic because I love it. So let's go ahead and clean that really good. Lymphatic area. The vibration of this helps to move that lymphatic area, and it helps to stimulate collagen and put some vibration and some, it's like Topotman on the skin, which increases circulation. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's a great exfoliator. Oh, your face always feels so soft with this. This is beautiful just before you steam your face. This is exactly what you would do in a professional treatment. Okay, let's go ahead and rinse our face. And now guys, when you are taking the cleanser off your face, always rinse your face after you're done, because you're going to have leftover residue on your face, and that leftover residue can be mixed with other chemicals like makeup and stuff on your face, and it could cause a chemical reaction. People don't realize that sometimes when they're having reactions on their faces because of residue they've left on from their cleansers or from something else. Because a lot of cleansers, believe it or not, if you don't know your product ingredients, they have corrosive agents in them, like sodium hydroxide. That stuff is a corrosive, and they put it in your cleansers. That is scary. That's very scary. Guys, learn your product ingredients. Okay, now we've rinsed the residue off of our face, and now I'm going to tone my face to make sure there's no other debris on my face. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, décolleté area, neck, because we're going to be steaming all of it. Okay, look how clean and pretty this is. Can you guys see that? Nice, clean, and pretty? Yeah, nothing left. Okay guys, let's go steam and do some facial massages and let's make that skin look beautiful. Stay tuned. Okay everyone, this here is the Secura it's the tabletop warm and cool mist ultrasonic facial steamer, and the reason I purchased this machine is because I like to purchase items that you can do at home and have professional results without spending the money. And let me tell you something, this plays more than just being a facial steamer. This here is wonderful. It has a hot and cold area right here where you distribute the water. This is hot, this is cold. Okay, and then right here on the sides you can see the max level for the cold. Okay, and then right here is the max level for the hot. Okay, and then right here is the arm that comes off. Okay, and it has a area here for your, say, your eucalyptus, any of your aromatherapy products if you decide to use them. A lot of people love to do this while they're having facials. It's very calming. Okay, you just slide it in there, and then right here you have the hot and you have the cold. This takes about 3 minutes to heat up, and for the hot water, you can have like a 15-minute facial, and for the cold it seems to go forever. So let's get this started and let's do a beautiful facial. So now everyone, we've started our steaming. So this feels absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and let the steam get on my face for just a little bit and soak into my skin and hit my décolleté area. Oh, this is heavenly. Just heavenly. It's so relaxing. It's so beautiful for your skin. The one beautiful thing is that our skin loves moisture. And this opens up your pores. It helps to soften the sebum so that you can do extractions, which is absolutely wonderful. Okay, now this is a time too that you can use your pre-cleanse oil, which is really good if you want to do a facial massage. So right now what I'm going to do is just kind of moisten my hands now that my face is kind of moist. And we're going to do a lymphatic drainage massage. I'm going to be teaching you different massage techniques for different things. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and start in the temple area. We're just going to go like this. In circular motion. Okay. Across the forehead, circular motion. Okay. Now when you're right in this area right here, what you want to do is you want to put your thumbs right here and press on that area. It's a trigger point, and some of you might feel a little bit of pain there. Okay. Put a little bit of pressure and just go across your eyebrows. Let up the pressure, go back across, go across your eyebrows. Okay. I would say do that about 10 times. When you get here, everything's in continuous motion. You don't stop. I'm just showing you the technique. So when you get to this area, okay, light, pull out. Lighten up, pull out. Lighten up, pull out. And go down the face. Lighten up, pull out. Go underneath that cheekbone. Lighten up, go out. Lighten up, go out. When you get into this area, lighten up. Take both your fingers and just pull this back. Oh God. When you get right here, oh, you can really feel it. It's painful. It's very painful. Just work your thumbs down. Ooh. Okay, in that area you can really feel it. When you get into this area, just pull the skin up, pull the skin up, work that area, work it good, pull it up. This is, oh, feels so good. Okay, massage that area, that lymphatic area, okay? And when you get down here to the décolleté, because this is where it pulls right here, give yourself a nice massage. It's nice to put oils on your skin when you're doing this so that you can give yourself a beautiful massage. Okay, neck area. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. Okay. Oh, so sore. Let's get back to the face. Okay, here we go. Lighten up, pull out. Okay. Lighten up, oh, pull out. Oh, I'm starting to feel it. Yes, keep your fingers right on those trigger points. Move it around. Okay, lighten up. Okay, go into the nasal area. Pull out. Again. Again. Wonderful. Very easy lymphatic drainage massage. Now I'm going to show you some other massage techniques. Okay, oh, this is beautiful. So now I'm going to show you a couple of different massage techniques that we use in the beauty business, okay? So we have things called like effleurage, which in effleurage, what you're doing is you're just taking the skin and working your fingers together like this, across the forehead, which is really nice, okay? Yeah, just like that. Very nice movement, you know. And then you've got effleurage, which effleurage is used like with your knuckles, just like this. Or petrissage, I'm sorry. So you always want to go up the skin, just like that. Yeah. Oh, it helps with sluggish skin. It's wonderful. I just love to do, I really love lymphatic drainage massages. That's what I usually do. Feels so good, and it helps to clean out your sinuses. If you have a problem with sinus congestion, I guarantee, especially if you have infections in the sinus area and you're on medication, this will help cut down on your sinus infections, and it will also help to cut down on medications, if not get off of them altogether, which is absolutely beautiful. Oh, okay. So when you do about 10 or 15 minutes of this, next we're going to be doing the cool steam, which is absolutely wonderful for people who have rosacea and sensitive skin. It also helps to make your hair stand up. So right now is really the best time while you have the heat going to be doing your extractions on your face if you're going to be doing it that way. And it's also the best time to pluck your eyebrows, to be honest, because they will slide right out. You will not break them off like you do if you do it dry. Okay. It's also a great time to, you know, put on a mask if you'd like. There's different things you can put on your skin right now that will the steam will help penetrate it, because what happens is when you look on product ingredients, you're going to see that water is the #1 ingredient, and the reason being is it's called a vehicle penetrator, and it helps to penetrate products into the skin. So that's why this is so beautiful. So now we're going to be doing our cool steam to help close our pores and to help with sinus congestion and things like that. Oh, it's also wonderful for headaches. So let's do some cool steam. So now we're doing our cool steam, and I love this. Oh, it is so wonderful. It actually, if you get it right near your eyes, you can just feel the comfort and the coolness of the air. It's beautiful. Another beautiful thing about this machine is that people who have rosacea, it's really hard to use steam with them because their face and their capillaries just dilate, and they just get really red. And it's very, you know, aggravating to their condition. And so this cool steam right here is perfect for people who have rosacea. This is just beautiful. Or for people who have sensitive skin. Another beautiful thing is this right here is very calming to people who have acne. And it has ozone in it. So it's got an antiseptic property that's absolutely beautiful for people who have acne. So, people who have cystic and inflamed acne, I wouldn't really necessarily recommend the hot, but I would recommend the cold. And I would just totally recommend this machine for anybody with any type of skin condition, because you can work this around any of the conditions that you have. If you can't use hot, you can use cool. The one thing also about the cool steam is if you have acne, it will help calm it down. It will help calm it down, definitely, because the heat will make it upset and the cool will calm it down. One thing about acne, people, is that if you piss it off, it's just going to go on full-on rage. One thing about acne, you have to calm it down. You have to baby it, okay? So there are different ways to calm acne down. When you see people with red inflamed acne, it's because they're doing something to upset it. It could be the products they're putting on their face. It could be the chemicals in the products. It could be bad facial habits, putting their hands on their face and spreading bacteria everywhere, which is something I see a lot on YouTube. When people are doing foundation routines with their hands, especially if they have full-on acne, especially grades 4 and 5 cystic acne, where they have lesions on the face that have been opened up and it's red and inflamed, they're just spreading bacteria everywhere with the makeup and spreading and putting, it's. As a wound and vet nurse and a skin specialist, when I see that, it makes me cringe. It makes me cringe. If you're going to use any type of makeup and you have acne that's really bad, my suggestion is to use airbrush water-based makeup so that you do not touch your face. It is very, very sanitary. And not only that, Dinair, I've heard people say that when they use Dinair foundation, especially if they have blemishes or any type of breakouts, that it actually helps to clear it up. I don't know about that claim, but those are the claims I've heard. So I would totally recommend a Dinair airbrush machine, a cheap one. You can get an entire set, water-based foundations. You guys, if you have acne that bad, go to a doctor and see what's happening inside of your body. There's something happening inside that's very toxic. Or it could be your hormones that are out of control. Your androgen levels could be elevated. So please, go to a specialist, go to a doctor and get those things checked. Get a doctor that'll listen to you as well. Not just hand you some antibiotics and say goodbye, or hand you a $200 face cream in an office visit and it not help the situation. You need somebody who's going to help educate you and help really find the answers to what's happening inside your body. But one of the greatest things that you can do, don't touch your face, use water-based products, get yourself an airbrush machine, and there's a lot of things that you can do to help your acne. I see a lot of makeup gurus on here that have stained, blemished faces, that they show all these different makeup and all this wonderful stuff, but their face looks terrible. And I'm not saying that to be a hater. I'm not saying that to be mean. I'm just saying it because it's true. To me, a beauty guru is somebody who knows beauty from the inside out, not just, oh, here's some great makeup. Go buy this. This is what it did. This is, not when their faces are stained and blemished. To me, a beauty guru is someone who knows beauty from all aspects and all angles. Now, I would call them a makeup guru because that's what they focus on is makeup. That makes them a makeup guru. But a beauty guru is somebody that knows beauty from the inside out. Just remember that. So now that we've done our cool steam, now we're going to apply our products and we're going to see how our skin looks. Okay, everyone, this is the time in the evening that you want to be putting on any of your retinoids if you're going to be using retinoids. You definitely don't want to do retinoids during the day. Retinoids help with cell turnover. So tonight, because I have some blackheads on my nose I want to get rid of, I'm going to be using my 0.05 retin-A, just a little bit right on the nose area right here. Now, you can take some lemon juice and some baking soda and you can mix it together and you can make a paste and put it on your nose and then you can peel it off the next day. This is how I like to get rid of blackheads. I do not like to use mechanical devices and damage this area because your capillaries are very weak in this area and you can break them very easily and you can damage the skin. That's why I don't do it. So I put my retin-A right here because of my wrinkles and because of my pores are really big right there. And of course, I could do it right here where the lines are. And I only do it in specific areas. I spot treat. I always spot treat. You just don't wipe a bunch of stuff all over your face. And this area is a big area because this area is where people break out. This area is where I have big pores as well. And also wrinkles right here. Right here in this area. So yes. And I like to do a little bit right here. I like to always put my retin-A right here because this is where you really get your lines. And I don't have any lines, and no, I don't have any Botox in my face. So I try to do everything as natural as possible. So, especially in the forehead area, I always put it because that's where you really get your wrinkles. And right here around the eye, right there in that area right there, is where you get crow's feet. And I absolutely have no lines on my face there, and I'm keeping it that way. So I just spot treat, and I kind of let that set into my skin for a little bit. Actually, I should have put my eye cream on first. I should have put my eye cream on first, but I didn't. So what I'm going to do is use my other finger to put my Bobbi Brown eye cream on right here in this area. Dab it on. Okay, I'm just trying this new. I got this in a kit. I never buy products and pay full price for them. I always buy things in kits just to try them and see if I like them and get a better deal on them, or I just don't buy them. It's got to come in a kit. I've got to try it. And then if I like it and it's really all that in a bag of chips, then maybe I might buy it. One thing is I never, when it comes to my skincare, I'm really picky. So, okay, spot treated with the retin-A, did my eye cream. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of a serum on my neck area. So I'm going to be using this on my neck area. Okay. Yeah, it feels so good. Gorgeous. Ah, so gorgeous. Really is. Gorgeous. Now I'm barely using any products. It used to be my skin was so dry. I had to use thick, heavy creams, and now now that I'm a professional, I've been doing skincare all my life, actually, but I didn't steam all the time, and I didn't do all those amazing things that I do in a professional salon now, and now I do it all the time. My skin requires less moisturizer now because of all the exfoliation and the moisturizer. I don't use hardly any moisturizer anymore. I don't have all that dry skin. A lot of times when people have dry skin, it's because it's chemicals and products drying out their skin, and they're not exfoliating enough. So let's see, what do you guys think? How's my skin look? Look at the beautiful glow. That's how it should look. You should have a beautiful glow on your skin. Now you can go to bed and wake up with absolutely gorgeous skin tomorrow. If you have any questions about anything that I've talked about in this video, please feel free to contact me. Also, I have an eyebrow tutorial coming up. I had one of my new viewers request an eyebrow tutorial and an airbrush tutorial. So I am putting those together right now because I really kind of like to try to be thorough. And when I do my eyebrow tutorial, I'm going to do it from top to bottom. I'm going to show you how I do everything and show you the right way to do it. So anyways, if you have any questions, please contact me and ask anything. I love your questions. So you all have an absolutely beautiful day. And thank you for joining me in my facial, and I hope you learned something from this. The machine I used is called Secura. It's a ozone facial steamer, and it does hot and cold. It's absolutely beautiful. You can get it on Amazon for $64.99. Now guys, that's how much you pay for a palette. People pay that for clothes every day. I'm sorry, but if I had the choice between beautiful skin and a makeup palette, I'm definitely going to choose beautiful skin, because you can use all the makeup in the world you want, but it's not going to hide ugly skin. So always remember that. So you guys have a beautiful day, and thank you so much to my new subscribers.